Hello guys. So till today we have learned what is energy and why is energy important. But we are missing the physics in energy. So today I've decided we learn a bit about the types of energy and also the sources of energy. So in physics there are many types of energy. One of them is mechanical energy, and also we have electric energy, but we're focusing mainly in mechanical energy. So mechanical energy is based out of movement. We have different types of mechanical energy. We have kinetic energy that it produces when an object is moving, just like when I do this with the ball. The ball is moving and it is producing energy. When it stops moving, it has energy, but because it has other types of energy right at this moment that is not moving, it has potential energy, it has heat, but when I move it, some of that energy becomes kinetic energy. Then, as I mentioned before, there is potential energy that is based on position. Meaning if I hold it here, it has more potential energy than if I hold it here. There's also elastic energy. That is when I make a tension in a cord or an elastic thingy. I don't know how to say it. And then we have different types of energies, just like electrical energy, like when you're using a lamp, see? Or when you're using a battery, it is electrical energy. Comes from this cord. This has electric energy, and it can produce light. That is another form of energy. Light, just like the sun produces its own energy by light and also by heat. We can touch the lamp and feel that it is warm and hot. That's because of the amount of energy it is producing. So now we have learned about these types of energy, and these are basically the fundament for the sources of energy. So there are a lot of ways we can make energy. We can use kinetic energy, I don't know, by using windmills or water mills. Eolic energy uses the wind to produce movement, and that way it produces energy. Also, by using the flow water in rivers, we can produce movement and again energy. We have solar panels, for example. We use the light and heat of the sun to make energy. And that's basically how plants work. Plants use photosynthesis, which is basically making energy and food by light and heat. That's why it is called photosynthesis, because of the word photo, which comes from the word photon, which are basically the electrons that produce light. So I think that is it. I hope you have learned a lot, and in next video we'll be learning about the first law of thermodynamics, aka the law of conservation of energy. I hope you subscribe, like the video, and activate the notifications. Goodbye.